When it's too hot to cook indoors, she always sends me outside to the Blackstone. So let's make beef and shrimp yakisoba. I like to cook on the right side of my Blackstone and slide everything to the left for holding and cooling. The key to managing a complex stir fry on a flat top is defining your real estate. We start with a high smoke point oil, establishing a heat zone on the right and low temp station on the left. First down is our flank steak, followed by firm aromatics, onions, bell peppers, mushroom, carrots, and cabbage. We separate them purposefully. Every ingredient has a different moisture composition, and cooking them in isolated zones prevents them from steaming each other out. Pro tip when using a griddle of any kind, keep a spray bottle of clean water nearby. It's great for softening harder vegetables by adding steam to help speed their cooking, and for cleaning a spot off on the grill. And here's where I mentioned having a cool zone comes in handy. Once the beef develops a deep caramelized crust, we slide it along with the vegetables over to our holding zone. Just slide your pre-cooked item to the left. Now, on yakisoba noodles, we drop a fresh layer of oil, spread the noodles completely flat. We want the flat top to mimic a wok, toasting the exterior edges of the noodles to give them structural integrity before the wet ingredients arrive. Once the noodles show a slight golden crisp, we bring the holding pile back into the center ring. Next is my scratch-made yakisoba glaze, a balanced matrix of sweet and sour. The recipe I'll add to the description below. The moment it hits the 400-degree steel, the sugars instantly flash caramelized, coating every strand of noodle. Now, the final phase, the shrimp. Seafood is delicate. If we toss it in at the beginning, it becomes rubbery. We cook them in a clean row right at the very end, giving them exactly 60 seconds per side until they turn vibrant pink. Even though these Argentine red shrimp come vibrant pink already, they'll still get the 60-second per side treatment. This yakisoba looks phenomenal. Let's get this off the Blackstone and get this family fed. And that, y'all, is my version of yakisoba on the Blackstone. Grab your favorite bok choy sauce and dig in.